Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's tap on this ringtone section, and here we've been transferred to the themes and the section ringtone, which means that here we've got online ringtones from which we can choose. We can download them, but of course if you wish to choose something from pre-installed ringtones, here you've got this option. Just tap on pre-install ringtones, then tap on ringtone, and here we've got all of the options. But let me come back to the previous one. I will choose something from online ringtones. Of course, be aware you need the internet connection to be able to actually check them. So let me choose something from morning. As you can see, we've got plenty of different categories from which we can choose. Here we've got the vibrant accents, for example. So you can choose between energetic options or motivational options. A lot of things to do here to check. But let me choose something from morning, maybe this one. So just tap on the specific ringtone in order to listen how it sounds, but let me actually volume it up. So this is how it works. Now we can check whether we like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like this Big City Little Love to be set as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to tap on this bell icon and tap on ringtone. Your device will right now download it. We have to give permissions, and if nothing happened, tap on it again and set on ringtone. It will download it, and as you can see, we've got the confirmation that we've applied it successfully. So we can go back and check, and as you can see here, it is notified that the ringtone is Big City Little Love. Sorry for that. And from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.